Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download and install CapCut on MacBook. So first of all, you want to open up your App Store and here you want to search for CapCut. Now, as you can see, there is a CapCut application here, so you want to install it by clicking this button and you need to wait a little bit for it to load up. Now, after the install is done, you want to open it. And now, as you can see, there is a sign in button right here, so you want to sign into this CapCut, and then you will see your account here, or you want to create one. Now, as you can see, you can sign in with TikTok, Apple, Facebook, or Google, so use the option you think it fits best. If you have TikTok account and you want to basically use CapCut for TikTok, you use this option, of course, because it will link your TikTok account instantly. And now when you signed in, you basically can create projects, and that's it. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.